I'm doing a video now because the electricity may go off within the next hour. We're under the F of Fort Myers, so we should be getting a lot of wind from almost directly south right now.
Lanterns, candles, whatever you're going to do, use
as this moves up
whatever you need,
north of us in this direction. We're going to get this wall.
In our area are locked down. Lee Health, for example, is under emergency.
Let's take a look outside out front. I noticed a lot of storm water out there, but that's normal. Got a little wind. And all of that flooding in front of the driveway is normal for any rainstorm that we have.
Show the cactus is down. So is this one.
That cactus is down.
This one down here.
Prickly pear cactus is down.
Oh, man.
Now let's go to the back. Take a look out the back, because that's the direction that the wind should be coming in, as I showed you on the map. Because the rear of our house and the pool faces directly due south. Let's see what's happening out here.